Good morning, ABE teachers. I just wanted to take a minute to thank you for allowing me to sit in on your PLC the other day and really applaud you for just the strong teamwork that I saw and really that strong sense of collaboration that you have in your group. For me, it's really encouraging and inspiring to see PLC groups like yours that function so efficiently for these tasks that are for the benefit of our students. It reminded me of a story I once heard about two workers who are working in a field. One of them is digging a hole, and the other worker is filling a hole. So a passerby comes along them and asks them what they're doing. He sees one guy digging a hole and another guy filling a hole, and he tells them that it seems like it's not very productive. And so the worker replies, "Well, if it seems like we're not productive, it's Steve's fault." And the passerby asks, "Who's Steve?" And they say, "Steve is the guy with the seeds." So that really just goes to demonstrate how important each and every person on a team is to the productivity of that group. And even if one person is missing, it can really affect the outcomes. That being said, I wanted to talk really quick about our PLC time. I know that lately a good portion, really about 1/3 of the time of our PLCs, has been devoted to district and division-wide business. And I wanted to let you know that going forward, we're really going to look at cutting back or eliminating the amount of time that is spent on division business so that you can really focus on the work that you're doing in your PLCs. So we'll look to cutting that down to about 10% of the time, or even moving division business to another day so that it doesn't have to interfere with PLC time. I noticed while I was watching your group that you did kind of run into a little roadblock with the rubric, and as I recall, you found that the rubric didn't really seem to be aligned to the task, and you came to the conclusion that the rubric really should have been spelled out before the task was initiated. And I was glad to see you work through that process because, as you know, a big focus for us this year is data collection and data analysis with the purpose of identifying the areas of needs for all of our students and then developing strategies and interventions to correct that and to help them improve. I recently looked at the overall division-wide TAPE scores for our ABE classes and saw that there are about 43% of our students who are not meeting the standards to pass ABE after 2 semesters. So as you know, with your current performance task cycle, where we are doing 2 performance tasks per semester, really the focus is on collecting data, analyzing the data, and then plotting the next steps so that we can help our students improve and achieve regardless of what their needs are. That said, I want to again thank you so much for your work and your dedication to our students. It's important that each and every student is given the tools that they need to be able to succeed. And by doing this work in your PLCs, this amazing group work, you're really helping to make that happen, and you're making a difference every day. So again, thank you, and I will see you at the next PLC.